settle down, settle down, settle down. Girl, it's all over your face. There's someone taking my place. Guess that's something that I'm dealing with now. I guess it's nothing that I can do now. I see you in the city. Do they know you with me? Are you with me, baby? Girl, you with me, baby?
What it do, boys? We are back with another video. Today's kind of a exciting day, I guess we could say. Maybe a little bit sad because we're getting rid of this thing right here. This big old bus, the Trenchies. Y'all know I bought this car a couple months back. I never really drove it other than like the past couple of weeks just because it's been my daily. But now it's time. I was like in a debate because I ordered a whole wide body kit and everything for this car. So I was in a whole debate of like, okay, do I install the wide body kit? Do I make this car my daily? Do I have fun with it? Do I sell it? Do I get something else? And lately I've kind of been going through a maturing phase of like, I want some classy shit, you know? Like I'm trying to pull up P, real smooth, real classy. So obviously we have the Porsche at home. And I think the perfect car to match the Porsche in the garage is a Range Rover. Funny enough, actually, I bought this car like damn near a week ago now. And I've just been so busy with work, I haven't had the time to go pick it up. So I'm gonna go and finally pick it up today. It's Saturday and I finally got some free time now. So I'm gonna go pick the car up today. We're gonna go enjoy it. And then I'm gonna just spend the rest of the day with you. I'll probably go to the gym, do some boxing. And then see what else we get into. But I need some coffee, so let's go.
I could be there for you if you wanted me to.
I think you're spotted already, bro.
Guys, I haven't even seen this car in person yet. Tyler from the dealership, like the owner of the dealership, goes, yo, I can get this car for you. Sends me 4 pictures of it. I was like, bet, I'll take it. So like I haven't even seen this shit yet. I've literally seen 4 pictures of it from a dealer listing and that's it. So hopefully it turns out as good as I think it is, but I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I think I signed everything electronically. I don't even remember. This thing's really nice, bro. I'm happy with this. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's nice looking, bro.
Autopilot.
My name 25, 26 Range Rover, back to back, I'm out of your range.
It goes up and down.
Whoa. What the heck? You can do that from the back of the car? Yeah, that's legit like the cleanest I've ever seen this car, bro.
Yeah. I didn't take care of it as well. Bro, the problem with this car is like these wheels, they're so hard to keep clean because there's so many spokes. The brakes are touchy. Bergen's iPhone works with carbon. Yes. Bro, this car's amazing. It's comfy. Ooh.
Big ass screen.
Big ass screen.
Did you say there was a fridge in this car earlier?
Yeah, there's a fridge right here. Feel it, it's cold.
Oh yeah. What the heck? That's cool.
It feels pretty similar to like the Cullinan. I think this is as close as you can get to like a Cullinan for less than half the price. This car was only $140,000. The Cullinan I paid like $350 or whatever it was. Something like that, I don't even remember. All right, y'all. As you can see, we are in the new crib. And I'm not gonna show you guys yet. You're gonna have to stay patient and wait for next video when I have my whole crib put together. And I'm gonna give y'all a full tour. But I've been loving it here so far. I'm in my office, super nice as you can see. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update. At the time it's released, obviously it'll be later. But at the time of filming this, we just released Trenchies' new formula. We launched this product 2 months ago. It did amazing. Majority of you guys loved it, but we took a lot of your feedback. You wanted us to make it sweeter, you wanted it to taste a little better, less like a supplement, more like a candy. So we went back to the drawing board. Fredo went out and flew out to our manufacturer in California, met with them in person. We went through a whole bunch of batches of the redone formula. So it was a lot of trial and error to make this product perfect, but now it's much sweeter. Still got the same effects, still got the same formula. We just changed some of the sweeteners and stuff, as well as added some citric acid to make the flavor much more defined and much sweeter. So these are available now on our website. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can go and use code BREZ for 10% off your purchase at Trenchies. I really genuinely believe all you guys are going to love this product. I'm about to get a little work done before we have to head to boxing.
Dale, give me a photo. Let me take it. Can you take it first?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. That good?
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you so much.
W. Good to meet y'all boys. W supporters, man. Yo, I should have given them some Trenchies to try.
You want to?
We got it. Ah, they're already back in the car.
They're gonna watch this video later and be like, fuck.
We gotta get some live reactions from my friends at the gym.
Oh, you brought it back?
Yeah, see what their thoughts on the new and evolved version is. Your honest opinion, because he was a hater on Trenchies at first, which W homie, he's just keeping it real. But now we got the evolved version, because your thought was what? They were bitter.
I like the first 3, 4, 5 seconds,
And then it got a little bitter. Okay, so it's better now.
Let me see this.
So you gotta try.
Doesn't matter which one.
Nah, it doesn't matter.
Is the Megan one in here or not?
Nah, that's gonna be in the new flavor pack.
I like it. Wait,
better?
Wait, give me like 10
Yeah,
seconds.
give it like 10 seconds.
This is actually good. Good job.
October's on as the label. 7-figure deal was a fable. 8-figure bought out the neighbors. 9 figures turning the tables. You pussy boy better be ready and able. I'm coming. I can't talk on bro case cause it's sticky. Free tea and free greasy, my Achilles. My youngest put lots on the city, so niggas be shit to come out when it's litty. T, that's the Cody, so free him. These niggas are joking. I wouldn't wanna be him. I be the producer, like what's the BPM?
Stop moving so much. So what?
Come on, bro. Alright, work. There we go. Roll up. Don't stay there. Don't fucking stay there. Right. Come on, work. Don't load up. Speed. Swoosh. There we go. Come on. Swoosh. Yes. Nice. 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 Woo. That was way better. Yeah. Thanks, because you don't load up. You want me being. That's fine.
How are you feeling, bro?
Tired.
You look beat.
I am. I've been getting beat up the whole time. but that's how you get better. See, that's the thing, is I could post sparring footage fighting some people who are shit that I'm beating up, or I could post sparring footage getting my ass beat, because I know it's what gets me better. No, bro, I'm done. No, I'm done.
One more.
Oh, I went like 7.
One more.
Damn, bro. For the vlog.
Get up.
Here we go. For the vlog, bro.
Get up. It's your get back.
Huh? Get back.
It's easy for me to say I'm done. I'm like, yeah, bro, get in there.
Yeah.
I'm fucking.
Hey, you went probably more rounds than me, though. All right, don't worry, I'm coming.
You could have hit him 3 times there. You went whoop, boom, but you just go back.
Look at our video we made. Little Trenchies ad. Boom, pop the Trenchy. Hit the mitts. Ba 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 ba. Hey. That shit's funny. I need some food, bro. I'm super hungry. But I need to go home and shower first. Alright, fellas, we just wrapped up some dinner. Josh and I got some steaks, and we were low-key so locked in on our conversation. We were just talking YouTube, talking business. We forgot to even pick up the camera the whole time we were there, bro.
My bad, bro.
No, I didn't even think to either. We were locked in on our conversation, but I've been super disciplined this week with work. I mean, moving into my new place, but eating super clean and working my ass off in the gym training. So I'm gonna reward myself with a little Go Greek, and I think it's a good way to end off the video too. Well, fucking Tom of Miami is in here, bro.
Long ass wait.
Bro, look at this. This is my Go Greek order every time, bro. Chocolate, yogurt, some strawberries, some raspberries, and some chocolate chips. This is literally like my weakness. Like, this is like my go-to, like, bullshit item to order or to get. Unhealthy, dude. So good, bro. All right, y'all. Something I wanted to talk to y'all about, kind of show you guys just an update, I guess. I mean, I know a lot of you guys probably saw it if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or anything, but the whole rebrand of my agency, for the past 4 years, I've been branding it as Brez Marketing, and I thought it would be a good kind of pivot to detach it a little bit from my own name and my own face and make it more of like a professional look. So we rebranded everything to Brand Lab, as you can see. That's our logo, that's our name. Look at my background. It's my 3 businesses. Yeah, advertiser, Brand Lab, Trenchies, kind of fire. But I think this was a good move for, as far as the agency goes. It's not like Brez Marketing. It's more like a official, like, company look to it. So we've cooked up that rebrand that's been in the vault for the past couple of months. We've been kind of planning that, and now it's finally like officially live. So my company is no longer Brez Marketing, it's now Brand Lab. As far as Brand Lab goes, we've been cooking on that side of things too. We've been like more real deal exclusive. Something I kind of learned the hard way in my past 4 years of running an agency was I tried to scale too quick, and I was signing too many clients too fast. And I realized like it's much better to focus on working with bigger clients at a smaller scale, but a bigger scale when it comes to that client overall, if that makes sense. At one point in my agency, I had like 30 clients, and now we're at a point with our agency where we only have 12. It's a much more personalized experience, so we're providing much more service to these businesses that are working with us, rather than just, oh, we run ads for your business. It's like, okay, we run ads, we come up with offers, we track profit on a day-to-day basis, we're making ad creatives, we're making you new websites, new landing pages. Like, we're a full stack agency and we're helping with every aspect we can to generate these businesses more revenue. So I think kind of with that pivot of the services that we provide and how professional it is and how just good we are at our job, it made more sense to take the approach of branding ourselves more professional. I'm excited about that. Obviously, Trenchies we've been cooking up. With the education company, AI advertiser, we've been cooking the fuck up. If you guys are interested in applying for that to learn how to start your own agency and scale it, top link in the description. Go and get yourself a bag of Trenchies. Use code BREZ for 10% off. If you guys are interested in working with Brand Lab, if you own any sort of high scale agency or high scale e-com brand, that'll also be linked in the description. But comment, go Greek, if you made it this far, so I know who my loyal viewers who made it to the end are. But like, subscribe, comment, turn post notifications on. We got a lot of bangers coming. Apartment tour on the way. That's going to be the next video, so stay tuned for that. I love y'all. I appreciate all the support, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.